Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're trying to access Outlook for email, if you're trying to get your emails because you're using a Microsoft Exchange account for your email provider and it doesn't seem that anything's going through, and if you're trying to use Microsoft Teams, yes, there are tons of problems happening right now with all of this. In fact, if you look at Down Detector for Outlook, you could see that there's a huge spike in problems. It started several hours ago, and it's actually getting worse right now. But Microsoft says that it has identified the problem and that it is rolling out a fix. But the problem is that the fix requires several restarts of their different servers, which means it's taking a lot longer than they anticipated to roll out the fix. There's all sorts of weird things that can happen, from login errors to even page not found on Outlook.com. All sorts of things are happening. So if you have issues, it's not you. Don't try to fix it. Don't just, wait. It'll come back by itself. But it is a known issue, and there's a lot of problems right now with several of the Microsoft services online. So the fix is rolling out, which means that gradually within the next hours, there's going to be less and less disruption. And when the fix reaches your part of the world where all of this is happening, it should come back to normal quite quickly. So don't worry, be happy. It's not your computer. It's nothing you can do. There's no fix to go do or changes to go play with. Just, relax. It's going to come back at some point with the Outlook outage for Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.